Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make some comfort food coming directly from the bayous in Louisiana. We will do the creamy crawfish rice casserole. Okay, so it's really easy to do. I don't really need the barbecue to do that, but it's always better in the barbecue. I will use the Louisiana Grills LG800 Founder's Legacy that I preheat to 350 Fahrenheit degrees, 180 Celsius degrees. Okay, you will need the recipes in the description, all the ingredients, but you will need some rice, some shrimp, some water chestnuts. It's not so easy to find, but you can some grated cheddar, some the Holy Trinity, onion, red bell peppers, and celery. Some celery soup, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs. Some butter, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of parsley. Okay, that's it. We will first cook the Holy Trinity and then add the rest and cook for maybe 45 minutes to 1 hour at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go. For the Holy Trinity, I will need 1 large tablespoon of butter, and I add all the vegetables. Maybe 5 or 6 minutes, so the vegetables are tender. Now I added 50 grams of butter, 1/4 cup to my breadcrumbs. So I will put them in the barbecue, and so the butter will melt. And now I add everything but the parsley. Okay. So now the butter melted a bit, so I will mix it with the parsley and the breadcrumbs. Okay. Now 45 minutes to 1 hour at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 Fahrenheit. Okay. So the creamy crawfish rice casserole is ready to eat. Enjoy. I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.